Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to get a disabled Instagram account back. So we are in the help center of Instagram, and to get disabled Instagram accounts back it's pretty simple. According to them, community standards may be one of the reasons. So if you have actually violated the community standard, they're going to let you right back in after. But next is, if you think your account was disabled by mistake, you can ask them to review that decision by opening the app and entering your username, password, and following the on screen instructions. Next, if you don't see a disabled message and you're experiencing a login issue, it's probably by Instagram's end and you'll just have to wait it out. And lastly, if someone gained access to your page or your account, you have to visit a page right here on your actual browser. So you have to go to the help center and search for disabled Instagram account and press this exactly. So why can't you get into your own actual account? Is your account was hacked, forgot your password, login code wasn't here, or you can just choose from the exceptions right here. So that's how you get your disabled Instagram account back basically. So it answers all the questions that a person may ask with the disabled Instagram account. So there you go.